and welcome to qTest Components. In this video, we're going to be taking a look through Tricentis qTest and the internal components. qTest is an enterprise test management platform here at Tricentis. We're going to take it step by step here. We are starting at the qTest login page. You will be given your URL by your administrator. To get started, all we need to do is select our credentials and login. Once we're logged into the system, we are immediately greeted by qTest Manager. This is where you're going to be spending the majority of your time in qTest. It is the main module for all of your testing artifacts. Up here in the top left, you can see that there are projects, as qTest is project-based. If you have teams within your organization that are using a waterfall-based methodology, or an agile-based methodology, or even hybrid-based, your teams can coexist together within the qTest platform. In the top center of your screen, you can see that we break up the SDLC into key pieces. The first tab here we have is called Test Plan. This is going to be your highest level milestones that your team is working towards, such as your fixed versions, your sprints, and others. Next up, you're going to see this Requirements tab, and that is where your business or functional user stories or requirements are going to be stored. And of course, you'll reference those requirements to understand what you're testing against at a later point in time. Our next important call out here is test design. Test design is our test case repository. You could think of this as your test case library where you're going to be creating those testing assets towards the executions of the tests. And of course, last but not least, within this particular example, we are looking at a Jira integration, and then we're going to go over here and look at text execution. This is where the action is happening and where you're going to be running your assigned tests and logging those particular run results. In the top right corner here, you'll also see the profile icon. This is where you can set passwords, set a time zone, or anything else important to you and your team that you can adjust on an individual level. Thank you for joining me today and looking at the components of qTest. Now I want to specify that we did not get into the AI tools within qTest today. That will be in another video. Thank you so much and happy testing.